Welcome to Nature's Blue.
Blue wall movements is more natural, nature. It's natural and nature, and we have the trees, we have the birds, and we have the ducks, dog, cat, you know? Because we do like ecotourism, you know? Community tourism. So you meet the locals, you know, we are like family in the hills, you know?
This is the rope that we use to hold on to. It's 13 feet deep. Here now it's deep to stand up, right? Once you go under, you have to push out yourself.
This place there in a exchange St. Anne.
So the water border St. Anne and St. Mary. Once you're on that side, you're in St. Anne. Once you're over on that side, you're in St. Mary. Yeah man, this is our sitting area. You see me? You sit down and eat and talk to the children and show the children the experience. You can dive in the water, you can jump in the water, you can swim, you can bring a ball. We also have tube. So person who cannot swim get a life jacket to rent. Here is the chill area for anybody can use it. You relax, you sleep, you eat, you drink same way.
And I think it is a very nice place to hang out and for adventure and to chill. And also we got this great lemongrass tea, which is mwah.
I'm Miss Charity, cheap lady. I sell water shoes, towel, shirts, shorts, pants. I also rent water shoes.
So one of the things, you see, I start sweat already. And look up there, so I'm going to climb this thing now. You see it? Oh, no, look. See it? I feel a hold on to show you. Say this thing here, it's not normal. See it there? See it there? Up and down. You see the water behind me? Very tricky. Listen why. So, once me over, me telling already, the left side of the river, mean St. Mary, and the right side of the river is St. Anne. So, watch what gonna happen now. Watch it now. See it? Me a cross over the river now. See it there?
We have 15 feet, that's how we have 40 feet over there. So we have mud bar, we have a cave, we have all hiking, man. We have beautiful fun up a blow wall.
Here is the falls now. We have up top there where you can jump off as well. Over there is 40 feet deep. To get across, you have to swim across. Climb the rock. What them do now is a stunt. Like tourists come here, once they do the stunt, tourists they like it.
Tourists pay $15 US, and them get a tour. Jamaican pay like $500 each, and from 1 to 12 kids free.